This is Wasil and he's going to be our chef today. He's making sticky toffee pudding. This recipe was originally created by Miss Fatima Ahsan and her student Wasil is here to shoot it with us. One of the best recipes we have tried at a cooking competition organized by Haque Academy. We love this recipe so much that we made this announcement. This is going to be in one of the food fusion videos. And we would want to invite you. We're going to test it first in our test kitchen, perfect how we're going to shoot it, and they're going to be able to shoot it, and it's going to be there. So this is very good. This is what I would pay for in a restaurant. And that's why Wasil is here. So over to Wasil.
Let's get started. First up, take a mixing bowl. Firstly, in our bowl, we're gonna add our dates. These are soft, deseeded dates that we're using. We're adding hot water.
Wasil, why are we adding hot water?
So they can mash more quickly and efficiently. Next, baking soda. Now I'm gonna blend this mixture. You have to blend till you get this type of mixture. Done. This is how I want it. Set aside. Once again, take a mixing bowl. Put in brown sugar. Next, add melted butter. Take a hand mixer and mix to incorporate. Add 2 eggs, vanilla essence, and mix again. Done. Next up, dry ingredients. Take a sieve, add flour, cinnamon powder, baking powder, and nutmeg powder, and simply sift it. See, that's how it's done. Now simply fold it like this. Halfway through, add your date mixture as well. Mix again, but do not overmix. Now this ingredient plays a big role on why Mr. and Mrs. Food Fusion loved our recipe so much. Done. Your batter should look like this. If it's thicker, then you should add a little splash of milk. Keep watching carefully and I promise you, everybody will love your dish. Let's get baking. Now scoop it in a cupcake tray. I like to use an ice cream scoop. Nice and clean. See, easy peasy. Now pop it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Wow, how did you capture that? That looks beautiful. Look at these, they look amazing.
Do you need any help?
No, I got this. Next up, we're gonna make the toffee sauce. For this, we need a saucepan. In a pan, we'll add brown sugar. Then we'll add the butter. Don't forget the cream. Lastly, the vanilla essence. Now we keep the stove on, keep the flame low. This is what's going to make it very different and unique. Done. Exactly how I wanted it to be. Set aside. Next step. Now this is what makes the dish completely unique. Watch carefully. Take a pan, add your butter in it, let it melt for a bit, then add your crushed vermicelli strands in it and cook it for 2 minutes. Next up, we add the condensed milk. Make sure that the condensed milk is completely incorporated. Done. Now while hot, put a few tablespoons in a cookie mold and form discs just like this. That looks beautiful. Just like this. Time to assemble. First up, vermicelli disc, toffee pudding that we made in the cupcake molds, some toffee sauce on top, and a scoop of ice cream on the side. Garnish with crust biscuits of your choice and a met leaf on the side. Done. Come and taste it, sir.
Wow, nicely plated and this looks just like what we had that day. ये crunch सुन रहे? ये जो हमारे सवैयों का twist डाला है ना बच्चों ने. I'm going to add some ice cream as well. Let me give this a try. Amazing. Team Baker Studio. Good job. This is amazing. I think everyone should try this recipe. Before we go, let me tell you a little bit about Haque Academy Spark program. The Spark program at Haque Academy is designed to teach life skills like cooking skills. So these kids learned how to cook over there and me and Saima were there to judge the cooking competition. One recipe that stood out is now shared with you. So go and try this recipe and I promise you that everyone will say,
Arey wah!
Wasil, was a fantastic recipe that you shot and I'm sending you back with the food fusion apron and a cutting board.
Thank you.
Arey wow!